Hello everyone, this is Felicity Haney, and today I will be walking you through a catalog search tutorial using a refined search tool. Our objective and our audience. So first, our objective today is that I will be able to learn to refine my search for dogs to pull books at a lower elementary level using the Marble Falls Public Library catalog. The audience is elementary teachers, but more specifically, lower elementary teachers. So this is a screenshot of what the library homepage looks like. You can see the search bar up at the top left, along with the login on the top right. Underneath, you have electronic resources and what's hot. Now we are going to go up to the search bar and search dogs. After searching dogs, you will see that we have come up with 1,500 matches, which is just too many to go through. And so we are going to click Refined Search on the left-hand side. And when you do that, this is what comes up. We are going to adjust the copyright year to pull only books from the last 10 years. So we will adjust the copyright year to say 2014 to 2024. Then we are going to adjust the availability. So you're going to change the availability to only available at Marble Falls. Then we are going to change the medium to Easy Reader First. Here, our search goes from 1,500 to 10 items. So we refined our search by quite a bit. This small number of items will be a lot easier to go through in a teacher's short amount of time that they have, rather than that 1,500. There's also the option of using the kids catalog to search for dogs. You would click kids catalog and then your search bar would pop up. And then you would type dogs, and this is what would come up. There's really no way to refine your search in the kids catalog unless you are using the stories, fiction, facts, nonfiction tabs at the bottom. You can choose a category or books in a series, but those are your only options. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for listening.